Project code ITAR 13. Project title Designing a smart and secure single ATM card for multiple bank accounts. The main theme of the project is we are going to develop a smart ATM card, so which is linked to multiple bank accounts, so we can transact the transaction of the ATM is made easier. The person is no need to carry multiple ATM cards. So abstract. So for transaction in banks, so each bank having ATM cards. For example, SBI having one ATM card. If a person having multiple accounts, like first account in SBI, second account in Indian Bank, third account in HDFC. So each bank having individual card. So the person must carry three ATM cards. So these are drawbacks. So in this drawback is overcome in our proposed system. In proposed system, we are going to implement a single ATM card, so which is linked to multiple bank accounts. So and then existing drawbacks. So first one is multiple card is the main drawback. Second one is ATM security. So initially the security of the ATM is we are using PIN number. So only PIN number is used. In case of a card is theft means using the PIN number we can anyone can steal our money. Less security. So these are overcome in a proposed system. Here we are using a ATM card which link to multiple bank accounts. Okay, and then security wise, the ATM machine is improved using biometric. This is a proposed method. So working principle here the ATM card is replaced with RFID based tag. Each tag contains unique 12-digit number, and then the card is readed from the RFID model EM18, and the device must ask which bank, like bank 123, they are linked. Okay, the transfer during the transaction they need to give the PIN number and biometric fingerprint. Only the authorized person can access the bank transaction, bank money. This is a working principle. This is a block diagram. Here we are using Arduino Mega controller. So here GSM is used for getting the alert SMS or OTP. So and then fingerprint sensor is used to authentication, and then servo motor is for enabling the transaction, providing the money, and RFID reader is used for scanning the RFID tag, scan RFID tag. So keypad we used for enter password or PIN number. This is a block diagram. The hardware configuration we are using Arduino Mega microcontroller. IC name is Atmega 2560. Software voltage is plus 5 volt DC, and we are using 54 pins of digital IO pins and 16 analog pins. And then here we are using UART protocol to communicate between RFID reader and then fingerprint model. Here we are using EM18 RFID model. Fingerprint model we are using Adafruit optical fingerprint model. So and then we are using GSM. In GSM we are using SIM 800L plus 5 volt DC power supply given. It's a 2G based SIM, and then we are using LCD 16 cross 2, 16 columns and 2 rows. So and then we are using buzzer, gives beep sound. So next one we are using keypad. We are using 4 cross 4 or 4 cross 3. Here first one is number of rows, next one is number of columns. So and then we are using servo motor. So rotating angle is 0 to 180 degree. So these are components required, and the application of the project in real time scenario. In real time, the applications are we are using in bank ATM transaction and security locker, and the conclusion of the project. So this project this project is to secure bank transactions, and also it reduces the ATM cards. Thank you.